the app we are looking into today, a lot of people has been confused on this app. Some of them has already downloaded it without even knowing what to do, and some of them, from what you have seen online, all right, you will go back and you will get confused. Okay, but today I am telling you how you can be making money on this app, and I'm also going to teach you everything you need to understand, and how you can do one or two tasks, how you can play game. You will see the games you can play. I will show the games here for you. You will play them and you'll be making money, and how you will be creating a room when you enter into this app. Okay, all you need to do is to stick to this video from beginning to the end. You see, even those of your friend that has downloaded this app before without knowing what they are doing, you will share this video to them after watching it, because I am going to teach you every icon, every button, what they do and what you will do inside that icon, and how you will withdraw your money no matter anywhere you are in the world, whether you are in UK, US, Nigeria, any country you are, you will withdraw your money in your own currency. All right, so I'm going to teach you in a simplest form that after watching this video you will be grateful you come across this particular app. All right, so what is the name of this app? This app is Gemgala app, and in this app a lot of people has been frustrated on this app, but I'm going to detail everything for you on this video. If it is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Amaka and I teach people on how to make legitimate money online. And remember, this app will never make you rich. It is not a get rich quick, but it is an app where you will do one or two tasks and you'll be making money from it. Now, once you finish watching this video, click on the comment section or at the description of this video. You will see that link there. Just click on that link. It will bring you here. Then you download this app. See this app, Gemgala. You download this app. Once you download it, you open it. Okay, then please listen very well here. Once you come here, okay, they will tell you to start. Please do not click on this start for any reason. All right, do not click here too, and never you click on this place. The place you will click is this use Google. Okay, once you click on the use Google, it will bring you inside the app. I'm using this particular app for the sake of those that have not open or use this app before. Okay, if I use my previous account, you will not be able to catch up with some things. You will miss a lot of things that you need to do before you log in into this app. Do you understand me? Now, anything, once you click on that use Google and put your emails, all right, and this app bring you here. Whatever you do here, you will never change it. Okay, you see what it says here? Can't change after confirmation. Anything that you do here, you can never change it. So if you're a man, click that you are a man. If you're a woman, click that you are a female. Okay, in this place I am a female, because in my other account I choose that I am a man. Okay, I will say that I am a woman, then I will click on the complete. Remember, once you log into this app, make sure that you verify yourself. Okay, by verifying yourself, you are secured. Now they have given me 100k, and this bonus I cannot withdraw it. I can only use it to play game. Now let's go. It will bring you at this interface. So once you finish that registration at first, all right, there are things you need to do immediately you enter here. I'm going to tell you around everything you need to know about these buttons and what you will be doing in these buttons to be making money, and every other thing, every other button that will help you to make money on this app. All right, now once you come in here, there is first thing that you need to do. You have to click at this last button. Okay, once you click on this last button, all right, it will show you this interface. Okay, once it show you this interface, you click on this place. When you click on this place, please be following me as I am showing you all these things. There is a pencil icon up here. You click on that pencil icon. When you click on that pencil icon, okay, you click here to change your nickname. Okay, in this place I want to answer Amaka 83. I will confirm it and it will save. Okay, then in this place, another place is this place. I will click on it and impute my initial. They will ask you your personal signature. You don't need to start writing a signature. Just put your initial and click confirm. You have confirmed it. All right, on this age you can click on this age and put how old you are. All right, you scroll and put how old you are. You click confirm. Okay, then this is the main thing for you to secure your account. You see this place that say face verification. This is the main thing that you need to do for you to secure this account. And look down, you will see what they said down. Look down, they say to protect your interest, you need to pass the face verification. To protect this app, you need to pass your face verification in anything that you are doing here. Do you get? Because you will be going live. That is the reason why you need to protect yourself and protect your account as well. All right, then when you Please forgive me for the noise, all right? There is school beside my house. Once you click on that face verification, whatever this avatar here tells you to do, please go ahead and do it. It will tell you to blink your eyes, turn your head, and whatever it tells you to do, please go ahead and do it. After doing it, you have verified your account, okay? Then once you finish verifying your account, all right, click up here. You click up here to go back to the main interface. All right, this is the main interface of this app. I'm going to tour you around these icons and how you'll be making money on these icons. Okay, so the first icon here is where you will play game, and this game I'm going to show you how you'll be playing it. These games are very easy, very simple, like very easy. And as you are playing this game, you are making money, and this is where you'll be seeing the money. Your money will be accumulating. You will be seeing it here when you are playing this game, and I'm going to show you how to play this game now. Pick any of the block to match any space here. So you see it, you put it here. Right. Once they give you a bonus, you come and pick another one and look for where it will match. You see? So basically, this is how you will be matching each of the space, and how easy and simple it is to play this game and be making money with it. They are very easy and simple. As you are playing this game, when you register with that link, they give you a bonus. That bonus is a coins. You'll be using that coins to play a game, okay? Not really this game, but when you go live or you are in people's life, you can use that coins to be playing game and you'll be making money. So look at the coins I'm talking about. This is the here. These coins, you cannot withdraw it because you'll be using it to play game in this particular app, okay? Any money that you are making in this green button, this is where you will be seeing it, and I'm also going to show you how you can withdraw that money no matter anywhere you are in the world, okay? Since I have finished showing you how to play this game, the next button is this place, this second button. So what do you do in this second button? This is another place you make money, okay? Remember, we just click the second button. I am doing it step by step so that you understand what you do at each button. What do you do here is either you go for party or you go live and chat with people. All right, now these people you are seeing here, let me first of all start with the party. Okay, now if I click on this party, look up, you will see English, you will see all. Okay, when I click on this English, what it means that if I want party where English people they speak their English, I will click on that English. That is the party I want to be. And if I want a party that speak Arabic, I go enter this one. If I want a party that speak Filipino, India, or Bangladesh or Spanish, I will click on any of the language for me to enter the party. All right, then you look up here. You look up here, you will see this small icon. This small icon is showing world. All right, to tell you that anywhere you are in this world, you can enter this app and make money with it. Okay, now we click on this button. If you want to be with people in UK, you can click here and enter their party. If you want people in Saudi Arabia, in United Arab Emirates, or in Qatar or India, any of the country that you want to be in their party, you can click on it. Let's assume now I want to enter into United States group. You click on the United States, and all these people are all from United States. I can join her party if I want to join the party. You will see all the people that are hosting party on this platform. All these people you see here now, they are all hosting party. Remember, I am just showing you one or two things you need to know up before we now create our own room. I am not coming to tell you to create your own room, because people will just come and tell you create a room. Whether you are in these people's room, you are making money. Once you click there and join, okay, let's click in any of the party and join with them. Now I click on this person's party. All right, if there is a vacant for me to sit, I will just click on the join and I will sit with them. But since there is no vacant and I want to really sit, I will look for a party where there is a space where the seat is still vacant, and I will click there and join them. If anybody dash them a coins, so far you are sitting down, you are making money with that coins they are giving them. All right, you understand? So now let's go back. So that is how the party is. So the second one is chat. All right, this chat is where you will see people that are live, and in this live you can stay with anybody. I'm also going to do that, don't worry. After explaining this, we are going to create a room. Okay, now all these people you are seeing here, they are all live now. Okay, if I click on this person's profile, okay, you will see people, everybody here is live. All right, and if anybody dash them coin, everybody sitting here will get that coin. Okay, so that is basically, you see, these people are playing game. You see, they are playing game, and if they win that game, everybody is getting money for it. All right, now when you now come back, I will not come and tell you to create a room without telling you how you will create it. So how do you create a room? Remember, we are still in the second button, being here. I'm just telling you things you will do in this second button. Okay, then I click on. Once you click on that create room, it brings you here. Okay, if you look up, you will see room poster. That is where you put your picture. Okay, then you will see this chat room. Okay, that chat room, once you click on it, all right, it's going to show you, do you want 1 person, 2 person, or 3 person to be in a room with you? All right, you will see this place I am going to point now. Good, that place. If do you want 1 person, or do you want plenty people to be in your room, which is that last one? Okay, once you click on it, the next thing you will click is you then click on create. Okay, once you click on this create, it brings you here. So now that means you have your own room. All right, you have your own room. Anybody that can now join you and sit, and as they are sitting, they can be playing a game. All these places you see I am pointing now is where people will now sit and be playing game with you. And you can also use that your bonus coin and be playing game as well. Okay, and as you did this live, make sure that your face is there, because if not, they will keep telling you that your face is not showing. It is very, very important. So that is basically how you can go live and be making money, and people are playing game with you, you are making money. Remember, if I am teaching you this thing step by step on how you can make money on this app, and I really did justice to this teaching, please do not forget to subscribe, comment anywhere you are confused, and as well ask me question. Okay, so now this is where you see the games you'll be playing with these people once you are live. All right, people can gift you through those places I just showed you now. Okay, all right, let's continue and go back to the next button. So that is basically how you will create the room. Okay, now the next button being here, when you click on it, okay, this is me. This is where you can upload your picture, or if you do any video in a day you want to upload to be getting followers. All right, you can click here and upload your video. Okay, now this is me, this is my picture. All right, see, now this person has one person has liked my picture. Okay, so and once you click on that place, let me show you how you are going to upload your picture or your video. So we are going to upload a picture. So how do you upload your picture? You come here and click this place. This is the third button we are now. If you click this place, you will see picture icon. You will see a picture icon and a video icon. And this place, you have to say something. Okay, you can say, hello everyone, I am new here. I would like to make friends. And if you're somebody that have my same energy, say hi to me and I will chat you up. All right, then you click this place after saying that thing to put your hashtag. Okay, any hashtag, maybe hashtag friends, you see it, hashtag moment, hashtag viral. Then you will now put your picture or your video. Then you click here to upload it. Okay, once you finish uploading it, anytime you click at this moment, once you click on this moment, you come back and click on this moment, you will see your picture. This is my picture. Okay, now we are done with the third button. So then on the fourth button being here, this is where you will see your message, the bonus that you receive, or if this app want to send you a message, this is where they will send you the message to. All right, and you will see the bonus you have gotten, and once you use that link, you are getting this bonus for you to play game. As you are playing that game, you are making money. When you are live or when you are in a party, you are playing game, you are making money with it. So the last button, which was the button I showed you, immediately you enter this place and you went ahead and do your verification. That is the first thing you will do once you enter this app. That enable you to secure your account. If you really get value on this video, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I will be bringing more updates for you. So how then do you withdraw? We are going to withdraw our money once we finish playing game, going live, because that is another way for you to make money. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money despite anywhere you are in the world, and you can even withdraw to your country currency. Okay, so for you to withdraw your money, okay, which is the last thing I told you I'm going to teach you, click at this button up here. That is where you withdraw your money. Okay, once you click on this place, all right, you will see withdraw. You will see withdraw, and the lowest amount you can withdraw on this app is 10 USDT. That is the lowest and the minimum amount you can withdraw. Okay, in this app, you see those gifts people will give you when you go live or join other people, you are earning through that gift. Room gifts earning. All right, once you join other people's life and you sit on the seat, interact with them, people share gifts there, you are getting that gift. When you invite somebody, you are getting a gift, and when you are the top rank monthly, you are getting a gift. Okay, so, and please do not exchange your gift for coins. You are withdrawing that money. Allow your money to accumulate, you will withdraw it. So now we will click here, we will click on the withdraw. So now we click on the withdraw, you will see my account is unbound. Okay, how am I going to bound this account? That email I used to register on this app, I'm also going to use it again. That is what I will use to bound my account on this Meta wallet. Okay, now if I click on that bound, allow it to load, and it will ask me to click this place, this email. I will click it and put that email that I used to register at the first time. And once I put this email and click next, okay, they will ask me to go to my email and get a code. And that code, you have 1 minute for you to get that code. You need to be fast to put the code, okay? Once you finish inputting this country of 18, you cannot modify it again. So you must put the country of where you are coming from. Okay, now I'm putting Nigeria. All right, and I will put my password. You will see it said I have created my password successfully, and I will save it. Okay, remember the password you are going to use are only number and character. Do not put any other thing. You click on that authorize. You see your account has been bounded successfully. So let's confirm. We click on confirm. So now if I want to withdraw any money, okay, once I click this place is up to 10 USDT. I will click it, it will enter into this Meta wallet. All right, if you are getting value, please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to this channel, because I am bringing more updates and I will be detailing them line by line for you to understand. If you do not understand any of my video, that means problem there. Okay, that is why I say you must calm down and watch this video how I am doing it line by line so that you understand it better. Okay, then I will open this Meta wallet. So immediately I open this Meta wallet because I want to withdraw the money in my country currency, being Naira. Okay, I will click here. Anywhere you are, whether you are in UK, US, Bangladesh, you are in Pakistan, you are in India, please click here. All right, then when I click that place, look down, you will see this withdrawal account. This is your wallet. This money, that 10 USDT is now in your wallet. Do you get? And to be completed, meaning that 10 USDT is already in your wallet when you make up to 10 USDT. But we are not going to click here. Look at where we are going to click. Now, when we click this place, you will see the methods you can use to withdraw your money. Okay? If you want to withdraw your money in USDT, you can withdraw it. And the network you are going to use when you are withdrawing with USDT is TRC20. Please do not go and copy network for BEP20. You must use TRC20 for you to withdraw your money in USDT. And if you want to withdraw it in ePay, you can also click on ePay. If you want to withdraw with your bank card, you can use any of the bank card, whether UBA bank if you are in Nigeria, whether First Bank, whether OPay bank, whether OPay card, whether UBA card, whether First Bank card money. And as you are withdrawing that money, the money will land in your account within 24 hours. That is exactly how you can withdraw your money. Simple and seamless. If you really get value on this video, all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel because I am bringing more updates. If you're not in our WhatsApp group or our Telegram group, because that is where we keep bringing more updates every day. Even if you do not see any updates in my channel, there is another update going on in either in my Telegram group or in my WhatsApp group. So all you need to do is to check the link in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you really find value on this particular app that I taught you and explain extensively for you. Thank you as you keep supporting me, and thank you for watching this video.